Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to look at gold, and this is daily chart and possibly also the weekly chart. And this is brought to you by directionalanalysis.com. All right, this is the symmetrical triangle that I have pointed out a few days ago or last week, and we have breaking out of it. Um, let's see if we zoom in and see how we just gapped out above the downtrend line right here. My target on this, because of the size of this symmetrical triangle, is probably gonna be quite quite large. Matter of fact, I'm probably gonna be looking at if we do this, go to the breakout, probably to 112, 110, which that's probably around, that's almost 200 points in the gold contract. So we have to also look at the weekly. If we look at the weekly, we are doing a massive ascending triangle pattern that goes a little bit something like this. So once we break out of that area right there, that's gonna be another on the longer term, of course. We're gonna be doing a longer term. We're gonna be doing a longer term, which probably it's gonna take us all the way up to 150, 160. So, but let's not get ahead of ourselves, and we're just gonna keep track of what the daily's doing, which is this breakout right here. This ETF follows the gold contract. If we go to the GDX, which is the gold miners, it has also done the same similar pattern, and it broke out of that as well. So miners, any stock resources, they're probably way up today, probably somewhere in between 10 to 15%, because this move today is pretty massive. Also, real quick, let me touch up on some of the indices. We are still doing, we're still heading towards the bottom of that range of the rising wedge. If we look at the Dow Jones, still heading towards it. The New York Exchange is gonna probably pause for a minute and then continue May today. Tomorrow and Friday. The Nasdaq is probably gonna come back and touch up, do a back test on this trend line, and then proceed, which will probably increase the velocity on the way down. So this is the S&P, and it's doing the same thing. So the rest of the week, look for it to be a down week. Alright, this is it for now. This is brought to you by directionalanalysis.com. Have a great day, everybody.